Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to apply for a ration card online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. So open up any web browser on your PC, laptop or even mobile device. Head over to Google and then type in ration card online apply. If I can spell ration, not ratio. And once here you got all these different options where you can apply. I reckon I suggest the ration card online from rationcardagent.co.in is a good choice, so click into that, and then ration card agent form filling and home postage service, so click on complete your form online, so click on fill form. Then you'll be brought to another page where you add all your personal details, introduction, your area, village, family details, other details. So yeah, go ahead and fill out all of this stuff and click on submit. Alternatively, if you got stuck on any help or if you need help, call that number there and they'll guide you through how to apply for this ration card. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.